Xi'an, located in northwest China's Shaanxi, is a historical city where many Silk Road journeys began and served as the imperial capital for 13 Chinese dynasties. And what better way to soak it all in than by bicycling around Xi'an's famed city wall? This remarkable structure is one of the best preserved city walls in China and has become a symbol of Xi'an. The fascinating wall that we see today extends over 13.7 kilometers long and was expanded during the Ming Dynasty. Over the years, the wall has undergone renovations, blending modern amenities seamlessly with its ancient charm. There are cafes, shops, and even convenient resting spots here now, making it a perfect mix of history and contemporary life. If you ever find yourself in Xi'an, don't miss the chance to bike on this incredible piece of history.
Thanks for joining me on my bike ride around the Xi'an City Wall. I'm gonna keep biking now, but that's 1 minute. See you next time.